Is there any benefit to having question time as part of your speech?
From the audience's point of view, it's rather simple. They get the opportunity to get their concerns answered and to ask further questions. But from the speaker's point of view, it's a little bit more tricky. What you really want to do during question time is to help to get your message across in as convincing a manner as possible. So what you effectively want to do during question time is to make sure that you meet that objective by the time you get to the end of your speech. Now, one of the problems that you have is that during question time, speakers normally find themselves on the back foot. We call it the graveyard of a speech, because they get to the end of the speech and they feel thoroughly drained because they feel as if they've been cross-examined. And one of the things that speakers need to realize is that if you're going to have question time, you need to understand how to handle question time. And one of the best techniques that we've found is when you're asked the question, simply repeat the question in summary form, which gives you just a few seconds to think about your answer whilst allowing people at the back, perhaps who haven't heard the question clearly, to hear the question so that it's not a one-on-one monologue. Then once you've structured your answer, you can give a more considered response, bearing in mind that your objective in question time as the speaker is to make sure that you get your message across as clearly as possible.